Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete indicators on your chart on your TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete indicators on your chart on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone, and after opening your TradingView app guys, you'll land on this interface where it says the watch list. At the bottom left you can see there is the watch list button selected. Tap on the chart button over here at the bottom left corner just beside the watch list, and over here guys, on this interface you'll be able to see your indicators at the top left corner of the screen, where you can see guys, when I tap on them, these are my indicators where I'm tapping, and I've currently hidden them. Now in order to delete your indicators, you can see the dumpster icon at the third one. You can see the moment I touch the dumpster icon, that indicator was deleted. Let me undo it, and again you can see that is back. And you can see again, if I tap on each one of them where they are hidden currently, and again if I tap on them, there is the delete button available for both of these. At the third one here you can see the delete button. If you tap on it, that will be deleted, and this way you will be able to delete indicators on your TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.